Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check software version for your earbuds SOUNDCORE A25i. You have to start by open SOUNDCORE application, and if you add your earbuds to the application, you will see it at the device list. Now tap on it, and right here you need to click the settings icon at the right top. Then, right here we have update firmware, so you can firstly check at firmware version. Right here, firmware version is the same as software. Or you can click at update firmware, it check for updates, and you can check also your current software version right here. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!